Hi, my name is Ed Kolchiski with Mr. Clean's Air Duct Cleaning and Carpet Cleaning. Been in the cleaning business for 33 years. Been cleaning air ducts for over 12. It's a family business. My son and I work together. I'm going to be on every job, either myself or my son, so you're going to get somebody who cares about the business doing work for you. The other day I got asked a question, and I thought, well, I'm going to shoot a little video and explain my thoughts on it. The person asked me a question: what's the difference between your company and another's? Isn't air duct cleaning just air duct cleaning? And I thought about it. And it's kind of like in your town or this town, we live in Festus, we have several car washes. You have the $5 car wash that's at a gas station. You have the pull in where you do it yourself, you put quarters in. And you have the little bit more expensive car wash where they have the free vacuuming and so forth, and that's what they do, is they wash cars. But yeah, you can go to any one of them and you're going to get your car washed. They all do the same thing. But why do you go to one over the other? Maybe you don't feel like doing it yourself. It's not something you have the time for, you feel like getting out and doing, you feel like you won't do a very good job. So you might stay away from the one that you put the quarters in. What about the one at the gas station? Probably does a fine job. But do you go there, or do you go to the one that does a better job, that has people there that care about you, and after you go through the car wash, if you're not happy, well, you can talk to them and they're going to help you get done again. They're going to do it again for you. Well, that's what you got to think about when it comes to air duct cleaning. Yeah, I mean, air duct cleaning is the same, but it depends on who's doing it. It depends on the equipment, what kind of equipment ones are using, how much experience. Do you have a kid coming out to do it that's only been doing it for 6 months, a year, or whatever? And do they really care about it? Or do you have somebody there that wants to do a good job because their name is important and they want to keep that good name going? Just something to think about when you pick an air duct cleaning company. We feel like we're the $10 car wash, not the $5 or the quarter car wash. We're very thorough. A normal house takes us anywhere from 3 to 5 hours, maybe 3 to 4, somewhere in there. So if you want to talk and get more information from us, just call us. We can give you an estimate over the phone. And then if you're close in our area, somewhat close, we'll be glad to come out and take a look and give you an exact price. Also, too, something else I've seen recently, I saw an ad in the paper, and it was for $35 to get your air ducts clean. But if you look at the fine print, you get nickeled and dimed for everything. We don't do that. We will tell you the price before we start, and we don't raise the price. What you see up front is what you get, even if it takes us a lot longer. We're there to do a good job for you. In fact, we'll do whatever we can for you. So down below, I also put some more information about what you get, some extra things you get with us. So check that out and call us. We'd be glad to talk to you, even if you don't use us. Feel free to call us and we'll help you with whatever we can. Take care. Hope to hear from you.